So Elliot just got a late birthday present for our neighbors, Chuck and Trudy. And he's finally got the hang of opening stuff. For his birthday he didn't open anything, but now he's actually opening it by himself. Good job, baby. Good job. That pretty wrapping paper. You're not going to open the rest of it? Why don't you open the rest of it? See what's in there. See the book. Oh, there it is. 2 books. Awesome. I was just thinking that we got to get you more books.